Let me tell you a little bit about CAMPS. As we mentioned, it's a Center for Advanced Manufacturing, Puget Sound. We're a Washington-based organization. We were launched in 2008, and we primarily focus on the needs and wants of the SMMs, or the small and medium-sized manufacturers. We do have 4 classes of membership. We have what we call the manufacturers, who actually are engaged in manufacturing, making products, providing services to the manufacturers. We have supply chain companies. These are companies that do not necessarily manufacture in Washington State, but they're providing some type of goods or services to these companies. The third is professional service providers. Keep in mind that most of our companies are small and medium-sized manufacturers, so they do need outside resources, whether they're legal, accounting, training, consultants, and those type of services. And the fourth is we bring in our partners, who we call affiliates, which are our government, education, and nonprofit partners. The unique thing about CAMPS is that we really are across all sectors. We're not specifically into one sector. We cover aerospace, defense, marine, transportation, energy, life sciences, and food processing, different sectors. Within CAMPS, we focus on 5 areas. 5 areas, or we can call them pillars. One is innovation. We help companies identify new products, new processes, and new technologies, and new market opportunities. The second is supply chain development. It's not so much about how to go out and find new customers, but it's really about how to position their company in to be supply chain capable, whether it's getting certifications, it's things of that nature. The third one is professional service providers. All these companies know they need professional service providers, and it's CAMP's job to make sure that the people we find truly are experts in their field. The fourth is workforce, and workforce is the biggest challenge that these companies have. And we have programs in 3 categories. One, we're working with the youth to try to help them understand what advanced manufacturing is, and one of our key support arrangements we have is with FIRST Robotics, where the young students coming up through are actually getting exposed to manufacturers. Second is M2M. It's called our Military to Manufacturing Career Pathway Program. Working very closely with our military installations to help identify the skills that these soldiers, sailors, and airmen already have and can transfer over into manufacturing jobs. The third is SOJT, or Structured on-the-Job Training. Companies realize they have to provide internal training, and many of them are doing so, but it's a matter of really how they can put the programs together and identify trainers to help them. The last area is financial. How can we leverage our network to actually access grants? We've been very successful in this grant area. We've been able to secure one to launch the M2M program, and we're currently working on one with the plastic industry training. So that's CAMPS.